Come test drive the 2026 Odyssey. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.